Welcome back to the channel, everyone. ggkickzz here. Today we got the Air Jordan 4 Crimson. I thought it was gonna be the Red Thunder. This is why I don't get excited for shoes that early. I do think that these are dope, but everybody kept hyping them up thinking that they were the Red Thunders, the sequel, I guess, to the Thunder 4s that we saw years ago. But these are black and crimson. Not infrared, not red, not varsity red, not none of that. Crimson. Now, it's a different shade of red, so I guess that's good to have in the collection. Here it is in all its glory. These are releasing January the 15th. I secured my pair through Finish Line. This is an early review though from the Snkrs app. So if you guys want a tutorial on how to get early access on Finish Line or Snkrs app, leave a comment down below, and if I get enough interest, I will do that for you guys. The box, regular Air Jordan 4 box with the lid style. There's a size code. It reads Air Jordan 4 black multicolor, retailing for 190. I'm going to be talking about the resale prediction, how these are going to do the day after and things like that later on in the video, so stay tuned for that. We're also going to be having the on foot footage, and I'm going to be talking about the materials used, more in depth about the color and comparing it to other shoes like the infrared 6s, so stay tuned for that, guys. All right, here's a close-up on the box. Air Jordan 4 black multicolor, 190. These aren't as ashy as the Air Jordan 3s we saw last year, but it looks like they're made out of the same material. Now this crimson color, like I said, it's not really that red. It's not a red. It's not a pure red. It's not a fire red. It's just crimson, but it's not an infrared. So, or actually they look pretty similar now that I'm putting them side by side. You guys let me know, is crimson the new infrared? Are they gonna crimson us to death like they did this year, the year that these dropped? Crimson, regular Air Jordan 4 outsole with the white Jumpman in the middle, red pod on the front, midsole, beautiful Air Jordan 4 midsole. You have that clear air bubble in there, and you have the crimson painted midsole, black mud guard, toe box, all blacked out, stars, black stitching. You have the toe box, nicely done. Red cage on this Air Jordan 4 right there with black netting, flat black laces coming all the way up on the tongue, flight Jumpman on the tongue right there. You guys can see that. Behind it you get your Air Jordan. This looks pinker in person, guys. The camera, I'm looking at it right now, it looks really red. It's a little bit more pinkish. I'll try to edit it, try to make it seem as perfect as possible. This is the back right here, Jumpman on the back. Other pair with Air Jordan 4s, I typically always wear long socks because of this. This sometimes might cut you on your Achilles area, so watch out on that. White Jumpman on the inside. You guys let me know. You have your black ankle strap there in plastic. You also have the crimson lace holders as well there on the top and the bottom here. And yeah, man, it's just very well done shoe. It looks beautiful on feet. It looks beautiful. The material, like I said, Jordan brand is being, I guess, more consistent. So it's either gonna be all bad or they're all gonna be good pairs. You guys know what I mean? Just like we saw last year with the Carmines, man. So you guys let me know what you guys thought of this review. You guys like these? Are you guys picking these up early? Let me know in the comment section down below. So now, as for the resale side of things, on StockX right now, this is a size 10 is going for $299 before fees. So I'm expecting this to be like a $280 to $290 shoe after it releases, depending on how many pairs out there. But yeah, guys, keep that in mind. This is for men pairs. It's at $299 right now on StockX. So it's doing pretty good. The Jordan 4 hype, I believe, is going to be taking over the Air Jordan 1 hype. Maybe not now, maybe not later, but I just feel like it will, you know what I mean? And I just don't know when that's going to be. I'm a Jordan 4 guy over 1 guy all day, every day. More comfortable for me. So you guys let me know what you guys think the resale value is going to be. This material is pretty solid. It's a very wearable shoe. Is black and red. We haven't seen the breads, and they're not going to be bringing these back anytime soon. So you know what I mean, people are just gonna have to settle for this, and it's not really settling because this is a very dope shoe as well. It just doesn't have the Nike sign in the back. I would rather breads over this though, or over these Crimson Thunders. I have to have them in the collection, so now I'll probably stop cooking these up and I'll rock these. Here's a color comparison. These are infrared 6s from a while back. These are the Crimson Thunders. Got a little crack in there, man. And these are the black infrared 6s. These two colors are more similar in the camera though. In person, you can clearly tell. All right, so with all that being said and all that out the way, what do you guys rate this Air Jordan 4? I'm gonna be giving it a 9 out of 10. Black and this crimson color is just a go. I like 4s. I love 4s. These are getting in the collection, especially when they're made out of this nubuck material all around. These aren't ashy like the Air Jordan 3 pine greens that we saw last year. And yeah, man, you guys let me know what you guys think of this color. Are you disappointed that it's not as red as the pictures were leaked to be? You guys let me know in the comment section down below. There's gonna be a lot of 4s coming out this year. I'm gonna be trying to cop all of them, so you guys let me know if you guys copped and what you guys rate these in the comment section down below. Also, if you enjoyed the video, press that like button, that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. Also, we are on Instagram. That's at ggkickzz, the same as my YouTube channel. There's a lot of dope pictures over there, so it'll mean a lot if you guys go follow me on that too. So see you guys on the next one. ggkickzz out.